If your Roku Remote is not working at all, or some buttons have stopped working, it lags, has slow response, maybe you can't use Bluetooth and only the infrared works, then stay tuned and I'll help you fix any kind of issues with your Roku TV Remote within a minute. For the people who have just set up their TV and can't get the remote to work, make sure that you have removed the pull tab from the back of your remote. After that, it will start working. With that out of the way, if it's causing problem all of a sudden, then first we'll try cold booting your TV. For that, unplug it from power and keep it unplugged for about 5 minutes. Also grab your remote and take out its batteries. Now hold both your remote and your TV's power button for about 30 seconds. After 5 minutes, plug your TV back in and put the batteries back in your remote. Now check if the issue is resolved. If your remote is still not working properly, then we need to check our remote's battery. You can do that easily by using your smartphone. So open the camera app and point your remote at the camera, press any button and see if there's any light coming out of your remote. If you don't see any light, then it means your remote has run out of battery and the batteries needs to be replaced. In your case, if only the infrared works and the remote isn't connected via Bluetooth, then we can reset and pair back our remote. If your remote has the microphone hole beside the power button, then press and hold the back and the home button together for 5 seconds until you see the green blinking light. And if your remote has the microphone hole beneath the power button, then open the battery compartment and here's our pair button. Similarly, press and hold that for about 5 seconds, and after that you should see the pairing prompt on your TV and the remote will be successfully paired via Bluetooth. After following all these steps, if your remote still doesn't work or some buttons isn't working, then this is probably a hardware issue and you can get it repaired or watch this video where I show you how to use any smartphone as a better alternative to your Roku Remote. So that's how you fix a Roku TV Remote that's not working. If this helped, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for daily Roku TV content.